Good morning, students. In last video, we saw I Love Little Pussy poem. Hope you have understood that poem and done your homework. So today we are going to see our next activity, that is Let's Speak. Okay, the activity name is Let's Speak. Means हमको इस एक्टिविटी में देखना है कि हम बातें कैसे कर सकते हैं. How to speak in English for any kind of situation. Okay, in any kind of situation. यहाँ पे कुछ सिचुएशंस दी हुई है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अश्विनी एंड आई आर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर एंड देन अश्विनी एंड बाबा. नेक्स्ट, मोहिनी एंड टिकट सेलर, टीना, रीना एंड श्याम एंड गार्डनर. These are the conversations between them, and we have to observe. Only we have to observe, listen carefully, and you can repeat after me while watching this video. You can do practice of speaking, how to speak. Okay. Or today there is no homework because this is only an activity, so there will be no homework. So before without wasting a time, I am going to start reading this activity. Ashwini, first you can see in this picture, she's Ashwini and she's her I means mummy. Ashwini says, may I go to play? I means मैं खेलने जा सकती हूँ क्या? Everyone is asking permission from her आई, मम्मी, अम्मी for going out for playing. Okay, now what I says, yes you may. Here you can get the idea how to speak for asking permission for going out for playing. Okay, so Ashwini asking like that, may I go to play? May I go to play? You can imagine that we were in school, and before coming into the class we ask permission from teacher, may I come in? So in this way only the Ashwini is asking permission, like may I go to play? I means यहाँ पे बस may I go to play means किसी से परमिशन मांगते समय हम क्या यूज करते हैं? may I. Ashwini is asking for permission and I says yes you may. After that Ashwini what says, Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake, may I? Now she is asking to her Baba that here you can see in this picture there is one cake, and she is asking, I want to eat a piece of cake, may I? Means मुझे एक piece of cake खाना है, तो मैं खा सकती हूँ क्या? Again she is using the word may I. Means you get an idea how to ask someone for a kind of request. Means may I do this, may I do that. Now what Baba says that yes, you may, but after dinner and then brush your teeth. Okay? Now what Baba says, yes, you may, but after dinner and then brush your teeth. Means तुझे ये केक खाने मिलेगा, लेकिन कब? After dinner and then brush your teeth. Everyone brushes their teeth. Okay? Now Ashwini says, okay Baba. In next conversation, here you can see in this picture there is zoo, one ticket seller and one girl is there. Who is she? Mohini. Her name is Mohini. Mohini says, may I have 2 tickets please? What Mohini is asking to ticket seller, Mohini says that, Mohini speaks, may I have 2 tickets please? Here also the words may I are there. Means again she is requesting that may I have 2 tickets please? Now what ticket seller says, yes you may, here they are. Now what ticket seller says, yes you may, here they are, and he gives tickets to Mohini. In this conversation, Mohini asks for permission for having 2 tickets and ticket seller gives her 2 tickets. In next conversation, here you can see 2 school girls are there. Okay? 2 स्कूल की लड़कियां हैं और वो कुछ बातें कर रही हैं. Who are they? Tina and Reena. Tina says, may I borrow your pencil? Means Here also she is asking may I, means किसी और से कोई और चीज़ मांगने के लिए या फिर परमिशन मांगने के लिए कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, may I borrow your pencil, मीन्स मुझे तेरी पेंसिल मिलेगी क्या. Now what Reena says, yes, sure, here it is. Tina says, thank you, Reena. Okay, so these are the magic words. You ask permission before coming, or before eating, or before doing something, or before taking something from anyone. You ask permission, and how you ask? You says you speaks the words may I do this, may I borrow your pencil. Then the person in front says yes, means why person in front says yes, because you are asking kindly, आप अच्छे से पूछ रहे हो, इसीलिए आपको वो चीज़ मिली जाएगी. इसी that's why Reena says yes, sure, here it is. And then Tina says thank you, everyone says thank you after taking something from someone. Now last conversation. Sham, may I pluck those flowers? Now Sham is asking permission from this gardener that may I pluck those flowers? Means मैं वो flowers तोड़ सकता हूँ क्या? So gardener says that sorry, you may not. Flowers को pluck करना ये good अच्छी बात है नहीं. That is the bad habit. So gardener says sorry, you may not. But if Sham says that I will pluck those flowers very rudely, what the gardener does then? Gardener also speaks rudely to Sham. No, you not. I will beat you, or I will give you punishment for this, or I will take you to the owner of this garden, or to the to your पेरेंट्स. मीन्स अगर उसने शाम ने काइंडली ना पूछता, मे आई ये वर्ड नहीं पूछता, और डायरेक्ट उन फ्लावर्स को तोड़ने के लिए जाता, तो गार्डनर उसको ऐसे आराम से बोलता सॉरी यू मे नॉट नहीं, वो उसको अपने उसके पेरेंट्स के पास ले जाता. क्योंकि शाम ने काइंडली पूछा मे आई प्लग दोज फ्लावर्स, सो गार्डनर सेज सॉरी यू मे नॉट. ही इज आस्किंग फॉर परमिशन एंड ही सेज नो, and he also says sorry because he is asking kindly. So moral of this activity was to speak kindly and ask permission before doing anything. Okay, so this was the activity all about, and you will get idea from this video how to speak, okay, how to ask and how to do things, okay, in regular basis. So there is no homework, only you have to observe this video, you have to watch this video, and only you have to do practice in your regular life, how to ask permission, how to speak. Okay, thank you.